Hi guys, I'm Tabitha. Today I'm going to be showing you this Cusimax Raclette Grill that I just got. This has 8 individual pans. It's a great size and they have the large top grilling pan here. And it's got a really simple control knob with just a minimum and maximum temperature control. So simple and easy to use. The top pan is a non-stick. It just simply lifts off and it does have those little bumps to create your grill lines. And it just has little grooves that sit right above the burner. And then below that burner is your middle rack, and that's where you can cook your items in your raclette dishes. There are 8 of them in total, and they are also non-stick, but they have a safety handle that's cool to the touch. And then you do have that third rack on the bottom that is just a warming rack, so you can keep things ready to eat. And they do also provide 8 wooden spatulas and an instruction manual. So I tried this out with some turkey bacon and peppers and onions here on the top grill rack. And then I used 4 of the raclette dishes for eggs. And I ended up putting in some mushrooms and tomato and green onions as well. The top grill plate did beautifully, leaving some great grill marks on the turkey bacon, and then I put some cheese in to get melted, and I had to move things around just because things weren't cooking quite evenly, but everything really turned out great. Other than I left the cheese in a little bit too long and it wasn't really melting out, but aside from that, everything was so delicious. My family got together and we enjoyed the meal. This is definitely a perfect option for family meals or for hosting something that has a lot of people because of the style cooker that it is with the little raclette dishes. But truly, I love this product and cannot wait to use it time and time again. So I would definitely give this a try.